Alright, so I'm taking the class Full Stack Web Development from Udacity, and we learned a program called Take a Break. So what the program does is every 2 hours after it starts, it opens up a web browser and starts playing a YouTube video to tell the person on the computer it's time to take a break. And it does that every 2 hours up to 3 times. So the first step is to open up idle, which is what we're going to use to program Python with. Then you hit File and New File. And now you have 2 separate windows. This one's your output, and this is where you're going to save write your code in. So the first step would be, what are the 2 things we want it to do?
We want it to open a web browser and show a YouTube video.
And keep track of the time, right?
Mm-hmm.
So there's 2 modules already predefined in Python that will help us with that. One of them is the web browser, so when you import, that's how you bring in other modules into your program. Web browser. We want to import time. Alright. And we want it to, for the sake of the program, we're going to have it do it 3 times. So do you know anything about loops yet?
No.
You haven't learned loops on Code Academy? Alright, so in Python, a for loop is like this: for x, and that could be anything. It doesn't have to be x, it could be I or t, but most people just use x. For x in range from 0 to 3. And then after any for or whiles, you always use a semicolon. And remember I told you white space was important in Python, so that one automatically tabbed for me. Unlike in Code Academy where you have to tab yourself. Alright, one of the functions in the module of time is sleep. So time.sleep, and we put in a number of seconds. We're just saying do 3 seconds to show that it works. So that's saying interrupt the program for 3 seconds. And then web browser was the module we imported. And .open is one of the functions in it. And we're just saying do a random YouTube video. Remember, do it in quotations and close the bracket. Remember, Python doesn't need semicolons or anything like that. And then what we can also do is in the command module we'll put a timestamp of when the program started. This program started on, and then plus, remember I'm concatenating the string together, time.ctime. So ctime is a function of the module time, and it outputs the current time on your machine. And then we're going to save this. I already have one saved, but we'll do the break.py because that stands for Python. Run in module. This thing wait for 3 seconds. There's our YouTube.
What you were about to witness is scientifically authentic. What you were about to witness.
And 3 seconds in YouTube. And then it's done with the program. So if we want to do the full 2 hours, it takes in seconds, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we can't just type 2. So how do you break it down to seconds? How many seconds are in a minute?
60.
Times that by 60. How many minutes are in an hour?
60.
60. So that would be the correct amount of seconds. 2 times 60 times 60. And you would save it, and then you could run this as you started your computer, and every 2 hours it'd pop up and tell you it's time to take a break. And that's the end.